How's it going, everybody? We got another light from Ambitful. We're gonna check it out today. It's gonna be very similar to another one that we've seen, but slightly different. Let's go check it out at the desk. Alrighty, how's it going, everybody? So, we have another light from Ambitful, very similar to our last. This time, it's a dedicated bicolor light. They took out the RGB, so it's a little bit less expensive and a little bit more powerful. Instead of 15 watts, we've got 18 watts this time. And yeah, let's get into the package. Let's check it out. Get this opened. This is the first time we're cracking this light open. Alrighty, let's see what this looks like. Okay, just like the last one, we have our roadmap manual. Lists out all of the features in several different languages. RA95, TLCI 95, takes Type C, takes NPF. Nice. Huh, interesting, 263 grams. All right, let's get this put away. So that's the manual for that one. Here we go, comes in another bag. Silica gel, our QC pass. There we go, quality control pass. Good job. Here we have another one of these. Plastic, you know, not so great, but default. We got one of these, fits in the bottom. Has an actual RE, well, I don't want to call that an RE locating pin, but it's a locating pin nonetheless. Yeah, okay, so immediately there are a couple of differences between these two different lights from Ambitful. We have the RGB version and we have the non-RGB version. Let's get this stuff kind of out of the way here. So they look almost exactly the same. There's the VL15B, VL15C. That's kind of the one thing that differentiates them. This one's 18 watts, this one's 15 watts. So, you know, slight differences and all that. Also came with a battery, so that's good to know. You get a free NPF 550 with each one of these. And the cool part about them is they charge with USB-C and they come with a USB-C cable. So that's really cool. Let's get that out of the way. They even come charged a little bit. So let's get this plugged in. Let's test it out. Bam, on at 100%, killing it. No shame. All right, so this light is going to be a little bit simpler to operate. It's going to be a little bit more user-friendly, which I think is a good thing. You know, it makes it a little bit easier. We can flip through our modes. We have scenes. We have any sort of stuff that uses that, you know, that uses the bicolor modes. So you get like magic wand, broken light bulb. That's photography, there's explosion, there's flash, there's TV, there's CCT, there's fireplace, there's candle. Actually, the candle one on this looks a lot better, I think. Oh, yeah, that's candle slow right now. Let's see, candle fast candle. I got that speedy candle. Sweet, all right, so. What else do we have? SOS, and then back to magic wand. Okay, so let's go back here. Seems like it's CCT or scene. That's nice and easy. We have our group modes. We can set our wireless groups. And if I'm not mistaken, that's all controlled through a wireless app on your phone. I think it all uses Wi-Fi to connect. So it's real easy. You should be able to connect with any devices. And I think you can also control multiple lights through the app, which is really interesting. So that's what I'm gonna kind of mess with. I'm gonna try and get these set up in the studio and turn them into our overhead lights here. Right now we have a much older light from Viltrox, actually. This is, wow, probably going on 10 years that I've had that one. Definitely been around the block a couple times. It's had its fill of work, that's for sure. But yeah, we're gonna be testing these out and we're gonna make sure that we put them through the ringer a little bit. We're gonna bring them out on a couple gigs, but I think that we're also going to be using them more so as installed lights, because then we can take these units and connect to them wirelessly with our tablets, our phones, and control them that way. We can also power them both through 5 volt or 9 volt USB-C. And I think that makes for some really easy cable management. Just use like a phone charger, plug that into the wall, and you're good to go. 1/4-20 mounting on just the bottom. And yeah, honestly, some pretty cool featured lights. All right, let's head back to the desk. Let's have a final chat. Alrighty, well, those are definitely some cool lights. I'm really excited to check them out. I think that's gonna be interesting. And it's gonna give us some different features in the studio that we can use. I really wanna get into the app and figuring that out. I'm gonna read through those roadmaps, and yeah, we'll get back to you with some more information. Once again, this has been a Mega Mini review. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, peace out. Look at these things. Boom. Even came with power. How cool is that? Little Easter egg. This lens is from the same company that the batteries are from. That's filtro. All right, let's get out of here. Peace.